How to clear YouTube cache on Android. If any day you are an Android user and you would like to clear down the YouTube cache on your Android but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find the YouTube application on your mobile device. You can go to the search icon on your mobile device, search YouTube out there. After you search YouTube out there, you can find the interface of YouTube application like this. Now you have to tap on YouTube for a while and then go to the option of app information. After you tap on app information, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on notifications. After tapping on notification, you have to allow the notifications and allow sound and vibration. Again, you have to go back and then go to the option of permissions. After tapping on permissions, you have to allow the permission to camera, contacts, location, microphone, notification phone, photos, and videos. Again, you have to go back, and after going back, you can go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to open the supported links, and then go back again. Then you have to go to the option of storage, and if you see any of the cache out there, you have to go to the option of clear the cache, and then go back again. After going back, now you have to go to the next option, that is evidence in store. You can update it after clearing down your cache, but if you do not want to update, you cannot update as well. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.